All right. So what number what number is on top when subtracting vertically? All right, let's all right, subtrahend is the number on the bottom when subtracting vertically, all right? So when you subtract vertically, you have a deeper sense of organization because you're using rows and columns here, all right, compared to just using rows when you're subtracting horizontal. So subtracting vertically, here we go. Now we have 100, let's put 100 here, minus 50. So this is how you subtract vertically, right? So this 100 here is known as the minuend, all right? So this is the minuend, all right? Organization does matter. And then we have 50, and this is known as the subtrahend, all right? Subtrahend, perfect, all right? And 100 minus 50 is 50, and this right here, this 50, this result here is known as the difference. So this is just a basic introduction of how to subtract vertically. All right. Let's give you another example here. Right. So 952 minus 31. All right. So here 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 9 minus 0 is not 9. So 952, that was the minuend. Okay. The subtrahend is 31. Okay. And then we have 921, which is the difference. All right. Calculating vertically, it's just quicker. It's easier. It's faster. It's a personal preference.